Along with the rain, the morning storms brought strong winds. A Sharpstown area family says this is what they found when they left their condo. Multiple windows blown out and part of the building crumbled. KPRC2's Sabira Rayford is giving us a closer look at the damage on Sands Point Drive near South Gessner. Sabira, was anyone hurt in all of this?
Keith, no one was injured, but the brick base of this stairwell collapsed. And the National Weather Service came out here and they say, though they don't think this was a tornado, they say this was very powerful winds. When Mary Cherry first heard the wind outside this morning, she was far from panicked.
I blew it off that it was just a big gust of wind.
When she walked outside,
because there's no way that a slight wind gust could cause this kind of thing.
Her neighbor's stairwell partially collapsed. Debris was everywhere and right across the way.
The view is wider. It's basically the same view, just without my window and everything, yeah.
Greg Thibodeau is laughing now, but around 9:30 this morning.
I was sleeping right here. All this stuff just woke me up. All this stuff was on top of me when I got up.
Covered in pieces of glass, he's thankful it wasn't worse.
I had to go rinse a lot of glass off of me. Like I say, Jesus has been awesome because I didn't get all cut up.
These debris pieces are leaving behind a long trail of gratitude.
To be here to tell the story has been pretty amazing.
So you can see the brick actually right there. That was once underneath the stairwell here. And once again, no one was injured. These residents and these owners of these condos are very thankful this evening. We're reporting live in Sharpstown. Sabir Rayford, KPRC 2 News.